Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to perform the preparation and characterization of biodiesel using waste cooking oil. For this, in a clean conical flask, add 4.5 grams of waste cooking oil. After that, to the flask, add 1 ml of methanol. Then add 2 to 3 drops of 10 molar KOH to the flask. Stir the contents vigorously at room temperature for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then transfer the mixture to micro test tubes. Centrifuge the above mixture for 2 to 3 minutes so that the two layers get separated. Allow the mixture to stand and separate it into two different conical flasks. Now we need to characterize the upper layer and the lower layer. For the confirmation of biodiesel, we perform ignition test. Here, on burning the upper layer, it burns with a popcorn-like smell, and this popcorn-like smell confirms the presence of biodiesel in upper layer. For confirming the presence of glycerol, we perform steric ammonium nitrate test. And here, on adding steric ammonium nitrate to the bottom layer, we see blood red coloration. And this blood red coloration confirms the presence of glycerol. Now, we take the biodiesel layer, that is the upper layer, in the micro test tube again. We wash it with distilled water to remove excess of KOH. Allow the mixture to centrifuge. Now we remove the biodiesel layer. Weigh the biodiesel and record its yield. Now add sodium sulfate to absorb the moisture present in the biodiesel. Thank you for watching the video.